Greetings, it's Maxo Diddley here, and today I am going to be showing you how to check what type of credit card a credit card number is. Let's get into it. So in our main method I have got a bunch of print statements where we're going to be printing a function we're going to make in a second, then a credit card number, and then it's going to output if it's Visa, Mastercard, Amex, Discover or Unknown. So we've got a bit of test data here. There'll be a link in the description where you can generate test data to try this out. To make sure you import java.util.regex.pattern because we'll be needing that for this tutorial. So we're going to do public static string get card type string card number. So we're going to be returning a string. This is going to be Visa, Mastercard, Amex, Discover or whatever. You could change this to an enum if you wanted to, but I'm going to keep it as a string to keep it simple. Then we're going to call it get card type, and string cards number will be our parameter, and our only parameter. So firstly, we're going to do if pattern.matches, this beautiful string of characters, comma, card number, return Visa. So basically, we are going to have a regex pattern for each type of card that we want to check for. And you might be thinking, Max, why do you want to even do this? Well, there's quite a few scenarios where this can be quite handy. One being, maybe you don't want to accept a certain type of credit card. For example, some stores don't like to accept Amex because they have a higher transaction fee compared to Visa and Mastercard. And what we can do is we could do an if, and we can do pattern.matches. We put in our pattern, which is just a regex, which is just a set of rules and patterns that a string must follow to be considered valid, and then we can pass in cards number, which is our credit card number here, and we can check if this card number matches the rules of a Visa credit card. And Visa card numbers start with the digit 4 and have a length of either 13 or 16 digits, so we're going to be basically doing that in a regex, and then we return Visa because it's a Visa card. We can then do the same for a Mastercard. So Mastercard will start with digits 1 and 2 being 51 to 55 and have a length of 16 digits. So we're going to be checking for that in this pattern. By the way, all of these regexes will be in the description below for you to copy and paste. Then we're going to do our regex check for Amex. So an Amex card will start with having the first two digits being between 34 and 37 and have a length of 15 digits. So this regex will reflect that. Lastly, we're going to then have the check to check if we've got a Discover card. So Discover cards start with the digit 6011 or the digit 65 followed by any two digits of 0 to 9, and they have a length of 16 digits. So definitely the most complicated rule so far. And then we do return discover. So after that we then do return unknown because we don't know which type of credit card the user has inputted. So with all of that, let's go to the top of our code, save our work and hit play. So, number 1, it's a Visa card. Number 2 is a Mastercard. Number 3 is an American Express card. Number 4 is a Discover card. And number 5 is just me typing numbers. Now, we haven't done a loon check on these cards. So, if you want to validate for credit cards, make sure you do a loon check, as well as do the get card type check that we've done in this tutorial. There's a link in the description, and it will be on the outro card. So thanks for being a great audience. Be sure to leave a like and a comment if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more Java tutorials. Thanks for watching.